Did you hear that? Kids! Get out of there! I can't hold it!
It's a big day at the Broomstown Library.
Hurry, Doogie! The new book release starts in 5 minutes! Look! If we go through here, we'll make it to the library in 30 seconds. I don't know, Kevin. The sign says it's dangerous. Don't be a scaredy cat, Doogie. It's just a shortcut.
Wait for me!
But they didn't look up. Whoa! It's getting windy.
The cable is under too much tension. Did you hear that? Kids! Get out of there! I can't hold it! Emergency! Dispatch! We need the rescue team at the library site now!
Emergency! Kevin and Doogie are trapped in the restricted zone. The crane cable is failing.
Rescue team, let's roll! Hold on, Kevin! We're coming! Kevin! Look out! I can't move fast enough! Kevin! Doogie! Stay perfectly still. Do not move into the drop zone.
Poli! Poli, help us!
The main cable is 90% snapped. It's gonna go any second. Activating power crane. I'll catch it, but I need a stable base. The ground is too soft. I'm losing my footing. Roy! I'll anchor you to that pillar. Hold on! Winch attached. Now you have leverage, Roy. Pull! Pull! The cable is gone! Got it! I've got it! Hold firm, Roy! I've got your back!
Kevin! Doogie! Run to safety now!
Almost there. Keep going, Doogie.
We're safe! We're safe!
Pallet is secure! Whew! Great teamwork, Poli!
Is everyone all right? I'm here to help. You're both unhurt, but you must be very scared.
sorry, Polly. I thought the shortcut would be fine.
We should have listened to the signs.
Shortcuts through construction sites are never safe, boys.
That's right. Construction zones have many hidden dangers.
Rule number 1. Obey all signs. They are commands to keep you alive. Heavy loads are moving above you. Even a strong cable can break unexpectedly. And remember, we operators can't always see you from way up in our cabs.
We'll never take a shortcut here again. We'll stick to the sidewalk.
That's the spirit. Safety is always more important than speed.
We made it! And we're safe!
Another mission accomplished!
Hey guys! Did I miss the lesson?
You missed the danger, Helly, and that's a good thing! Safety tip. Never enter a construction site without an adult and proper gear. Stay outside the fence. Always look up. Heavy machinery works high above, and things can fall.
Signs are like voices telling you how to stay safe. Listen to them every time. Big trucks have big blind spots. If you can't see the driver, they can't see you. Stay safe, everyone!
This is much better than being stuck under bricks. Thanks, Poli.
Safety mission complete. Ready for the next one.
Always gotta be ready for heavy lifting.
Broomstown is safe tonight.
Remember, safety first, every time.
Cheese! See you next time!